Polymorphism is the ability of an entity to have multiple forms, depending on the context which it is used. First, let's take a look at the len function in Python. The len function behaves differently depending on the context which it is used. With a string data type, it returns the number of characters in the string. For a list data type, it returns the number of items in the list. Let's execute this program to see the output: 3 characters and 5 items in the list. A function is said to be polymorphic when it behaves differently in different scenarios. This len function is polymorphic because it behaves differently in different contexts. Similar to function polymorphism, operator polymorphism is when an operator behaves differently depending on the context it is used. When you use the plus sign on strings, it performs string concatenation. Meanwhile, when it is used on numbers, it performs summation. This behavior is known as operator polymorphism. If you want your custom object to respond to plus, minus, and so on, then you need this set of special methods to be defined in your class, domo_sub, and so on. Some programming languages allow you to have 2 or more methods with the same name but different arguments. In those programming languages, the implementation would look similar to what we have here. You would have multiple methods with the same name. Python does not support this exact behavior. So whenever you call the method, it picks the one where the arguments match. For example, if you call the sum method with 2 arguments as integers, then the first method would be executed. If 3 arguments are passed as integers, then the second method would be executed. Python does not support having multiple methods with the same name but different arguments. However, you can achieve a similar behavior using default values. Let's create a method with a default value A, B, C, and a default value of C, none. If you call this method with just A and B, it works because you have provided a default value for C. When C is provided, then this default value is not used. Another kind of polymorphism is method overriding. A child class inheriting from a parent class is able to override or redefine an already defined method in the parent class. This process allows a single method to have different behavior. We've discussed method overriding in detail. Make sure to check it out. Subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks.